Gardening time. Let me see if I can show you what I have. I forgot to label it, but let's see. Now, these are the file cabinets that I put some compost in. What do I think I have? I believe I have growing spinach. I have to check the date on it. I believe these are greens. And I may have done spinach everywhere. So it's just now coming out. And I planted sometimes in March. I'd have to review my pictures. Let me show you my other garden. Okay, so let me show you this. It went bad and it started sprouting. So I'm going to see if I can get some stems. I had a raspberry or grapevine and it died. I'm going to see if it's going to grow back. I have did I label anything? Oh, I know this is blueberry. And this is nothing. Those are weeds. So that's a blueberry by itself. I don't have anything else in there. Okay, now this one, I'm not sure. Although this looks like some type of bean. And I did put some beans, but I did a lot of stuff. And if, you know how you think you're going to remember, and if you don't label it, you don't remember. Now, I know I did some cayenne pepper here somewhere, but I'm not sure. This one is another grapevine, so we're going to have to pray for that one. These are some more collard greens. I have a lemon balm. I'm so happy I have it. I'm going to have to replant that. I'm going to replant my cilantro. I believe this is cilantro growing in here. And then these are some red onions. These are my potatoes growing. These are my cucumbers. I was going to say I just saw it growing. I believe this right here is my peanut sprouting. This is dill. I'm so excited to plant dill. I also have my beets are growing. They're growing pretty fast because I planted these late. I also planted some peanuts here. And I don't know what's going on. Look like some ants are getting these. Okay, I gotta clean my bed out. But I need these pots and I put cardboard underneath. This is my squash. I planted all these from seeds. And this should be some zucchini. It should have grown the same time. This is some more dill. I'm so excited. When I told you earlier, these are potatoes. And I put them in this box. So when they are ready, I can just turn the box upside down and some more soil and just use the soil, put some more nutrition in it, fertilizer like banana peel fertilizer and some water and some chicken poo that I have to water down, and I'll have the dirt ready to compost ready again. This is a pumpkin. Some more cilantro, thank God. This is okra, and I planted these okra from some seeds I had from last year. I had a huge okra plant. This is watermelon. Now I'm planting these from seeds I had from my watermelon last year. And this is some more watermelon. Now this is some more cucumber. And what I want to say, the main seed that will definitely grow, and you can see the seed right here, is that cucumber. Man, that cucumber grows so fast. I must have put a lot of seeds in here. The cucumber grows. That's a fact. If I want something to grow, put some cucumber seeds in a pot. By 7 days or before 7 days, they're growing if you have it watered. Now these are beans that I planted from seed. I don't have it labeled, and I don't know what type of beans, but I'm gonna put it in a larger pot. So what I'm gonna do is I still have a lot of my compost, and I'm gonna transplant them into this pot, my beans. So I already have it halfway full. with compost. And I'm going to put some more in here. And then what it is, I'm going to add water to this. So make sure that this water that I have in this watering can has banana peels that I let sit 12 to 24 hours or longer. And I also put orange peels in it, banana peels, whatever else I had at the time. So I had this little stick that I was using to hold it up because beans climb. So I'm going to take that off and use it for something else. I like to say that I'll break a penny in half if I can. So, because a lot of these pots are, I didn't buy anything but my fruit trees this year. I don't remember. So I am putting it in this pot. Please don't fall. Please don't fall. My next goal would for me to have is a greenhouse. I have to have a greenhouse. So I have transplanted this. I'm going to add some more water. And what I did is I had some branches out in the yard, and I'm just going to use this. Let me break this a little more so it's not too hard for it to climb up. And then I'm just going to connect the arm on it. And I'm going to let it go like that. And I'll monitor it because I grew that from seed. And then I'm going to do the other one just the same. Just the same. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I'm finished. And that's what we got from the garden.